If you've logged a chat on WhatsApp and cannot seem to find it, here's how you can access your hidden locked chats whether you're using a secret code or fingerprint. So first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you're using biometric unlock like fingerprint or Face ID, gently swipe down on the chat list. You will see a locked chats folder appear at the top. Tap on it, then authenticate using your fingerprint or face unlock. And if you've set a secret code, instead of swiping, just type the secret code directly into the search bar at the top. Once you type the correct code, your locked chat section will appear. Then tap on it and you will be able to view all your hidden locked chats. And that's all. Now you know how to find your hidden chats on WhatsApp whether you're using a code or biometrics. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.